This is Steven. Nice to see you again. Today I would like to introduce you waterproof 4-channel MDVR. It supports 1 SSD and 2 SD cards. Okay, come on, let's see. Okay, first let's look at these cables. Okay, you can see here is the power cable, the alarm and serial cable. Here is 4-channel AV cables. Here is the two-way audio cable. This is AV out cables, and also here has the serial and sensor cables. Now this is the USB port. This is the LAN port. Okay, and here you can see the this is GPS and 4G model. So you can see here is the 2 antennas for GPS and 4G. Okay, let's look at its front panel. Here is the lock. Let's unlock it. Okay. This is the rubber to make it waterproof. Okay. Okay, now you can see here is the SIM card slot, 2 SD card slots, and 1 SSD slot. Okay. Okay, let's insert the SIM card. Okay, SIM card slot. Okay, then let's insert the SSD card. The 2 SD cards, one is here, and the other is here. Okay, let's lock it. Lock it. Then close the keys. Lock. Okay, and the rubber, lock it. For config the MDVR, besides the remote control, we can use the RJ45 cable to connect directly to the computer. Okay, let's see its connections. We use this cable to connect to the LAN port of the MDVR. Then we use the RJ45 cable to connect to the computer.